Yes, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you, Lifeway, for inviting me as always. And honestly, I really like talking about LifeWave and all the products. And I've been using it, and I've been a LifeWave brand partner since 2019. So if you can see here in this slide, no, this is wearable technology. It's affordable, it's safe, it's non-invasive, which is very important for me and my practice in taking care of people's health and taking care of my family's health as well as my own personal health because the last thing I want is another supplement or another pill to take. And each of the patches that we use here in LifeWave uses phototherapy, no? And it has a lot of patents, so we're all protected. But how do you use the LifeWave patches in practice, or how does it come into play into the practice of medicine? So just a brief rundown, no? There are several approaches to the practice of medicine. There is conventional medicine. Ito yung alam natin, you go to the doctor because you feel something, you want to feel better, they give you medications, they give you diagnostics. And then there's also alternative medicine wherein there's different, parang an approach that's different from conventional medicine. Alternative means ito po yung mga hilot, the traditional healers, halamang gamot, herbals, and then complementary medicine now starts to combine alternative and conventional medicine together so that you have a more holistic approach. And nowadays, we also have what we call functional medicine or lifestyle medicine. So this is more about prevention rather than cure. And my favorite and what I really practice, no, what my practice is all about is integrative medicine because integrative medicine now combines conventional medicine, complementary, and alternative, but it has to be backed by research and scientific evidence. So we use best practices, we use scientific evidence to make sure that we approach wellness and health in a safer and more effective way. So these are the practices of medicine. But when it comes to, sorry, ayaw niya wait lang po. Yeah, when it comes to the complementary and alternative medicine practices, right? The LifeWave patches use phototherapy or what we call light therapy. So in terms of the complementary and alternative medicine therapies, you have whole body medical systems. This is traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture, Ayurveda. And then you have biologically based therapies. Ito po yung mga aromatherapy, folk medicine, megavitamins, etc. And then we have energy medicine. So dito po pumapasok si LifeWave, si phototherapy into light therapy. So along with light therapy, you have the different kinds of healing, Reiki, pranic, crystals, no, emotional healing, and then we have other branches, the body-based therapies and the mind-body therapy. So in terms of complementary and alternative medicine therapies, light therapy falls into energy medicine. So phototherapy is also called light therapy or photobiomodulation. So this is not a new science. It's been discovered since thousands of years, but it's only very, very recently na we put a name to all the science that was done before. So phototherapy and photobiomodulation works by using a mechanism to reflect or shine light into the body. So if you are aware of how our patches look like, they look like this. Small round discs with their active ingredient in the center. So when a LifeWave patch is placed on the surface of the skin, the technology provides the ability to safely transmit specific wavelengths of light. Now, when you divide it into the color spectrum of the rainbow, red, orange, yellow, blue, etc. So specific wavelengths of light optimize biological functions such as energy production, peptide synthesis, and pain control, as well as stem cell activation for a very specific patch. So when I first discovered the LifeWave patches and saw how they were used, no, or how they were applied, I was amazed because the points, no, the recommended points where the LifeWave patches should be placed actually corresponded to major acupuncture points in the body. So I felt like, okay, so if you place the patch here, for example, it stimulates GV or governing vessel 14. And here it stimulates conceptual vessel 6. So different acupuncture points have specific names and specific functions. So in a way, sabi ko, this is like acupuncture without needles. So it amazed me and I was so drawn into researching and learning more about the patches. So there are several products that LifeWave has. The very first one is Energy Enhancer. By the name itself, it improves the flow of energy in the body. It supports overall wellness. Ice Wave is actually one of my very favorite patches because it's a very, very effective pain patch. So when you have pain and when patients or people have pain, I patch them with Ice Wave, and I'm always amazed at how fast and how efficient Ice Wave works for pain control. Then you have the YH trio, you have Eon, you have glutathione, and carnosine. So yung YH Eon, it's very good for relaxation. It makes you feel chill, more relaxed. It can decrease the levels of your stress hormones. And then glutathione, if you patch it on your skin, patch it on your body, the patch is able to help your body produce more glutathione without having to take in glutathione supplements. And then, so glutathione and carnosine, they're both antioxidants actually. And glutathione is one of the most important antioxidants in the body. Why age carnosine? Carnosine is also an antioxidant. It is a protein that is produced most abundantly in muscles, in brain, in the kidneys. And this one helps no with physical fitness, muscle recovery, and state of wellness. And there are a lot of my patients who claim also that there's a lot of pain control when they use carnosine. So Silent Nights is the patch that enhances sleep up to about 66% improvement in your for it was always parang stated to be something that can help curb your appetite. But actually, with further research, I found out, and more importantly, that SP6 can help with hormonal support. So very good siya. And for those titas out there, for the women especially, Alavida is such a good product. I personally to the activation of our stem cells to promote healing. So again, let me emphasize that X39 is the patch that uses photobiomodulation to activate GHK copper peptide and stimulate its production so that GHK copper peptide in turn activates our stem cells or repair mechanisms. So what is GHK copper peptide? So it's a protein complex. It was discovered in 1973 by Dr. Lauren Picard, and it has been seen from studies that GHK copper peptide exhibits antioxidant. So what are the functions of GHK copper peptide? There are so many known functions, but more importantly, it can activate genes to youthful levels. It can increase stem cell activation, prepare DNA damage, as well as promote DNA repair. Helps also to reduce inflammation and free radical damage because oxidative stress is a very important cause of aging and damage to all our cellular function. Initial studies for GHK copper peptide, or many of the studies for GHK copper peptide, are for dermatological purposes, so for the skin. Now, the other term that we need to really understand is stem cells, no? Stem cells, if you've heard about it, so we all have stem cells and we all came from stem cells. The egg and the sperm, they became the blastocyst and they gave rise to the most important or pluripotent stem cells from which all stems or all cells and organs and tissues derive from. So stem cells have the potential to change into other types of cells in the body during growth and development. And stem cells also possess the capability of turning into specialized organ cells in a process called differentiation. So this is very technical, but just think about it that with the presence of chemical signals and biological signals, the pluripotent stem cells can help to become bone cells, cartilage cells, fat cells, and muscle cells. But then, when we become adults, our stem cells now serve a different purpose. They serve now as the body's repair system, in that if there's injury to a certain structure or tissue or organ, stem cell differentiation can replace damaged organ cells. Okay, so we really need stem cells for the repair and maintenance of our body at any point in our lives. So there are different ways by which stem cells are used, no? There are different stem cell treatments. So the science of stem cell study is called regenerative medicine. So originally, the most known way for stem cell treatment is the autologous stem cell transplantation. So first, this, for example, this is a person, right? I want to have stem cell treatment. So the doctor is going to give me supplements, to improve stem cell growth. And then once you stimulate the stem cells to grow, you collect stem cells either through blood, bone marrow, or fat. And then once collected, these stem cells are processed. So they are processed, they are conditioned, and they are treated. And once you separate, the plasma and all the other cellular components into the stem cells are then reinfused back to the patient. So binabalik dun sa patient. So that hopefully the stem cells that are infused or given back to the patient can do its work and heal and repair whatever needs to be repaired. So this is autologous stem cell transplantation, and probably you've also heard about stem cell injections and then the stem cell treatments, the oral treatments and pills. But I think no, what is inside the pills are not actually stem cells, but the proteins, the nutrients, no, and the, let's say, peptides that also stimulate stem cell activity in the body. Cells respond favorably to light. So that's important, no? Because what we want is to activate our stem cells so that we heal better, we age slower, and then we live fuller lives. Okay? So when people use X39, what are the effects that have different effects, no, varying effects? But in general, people would claim that they have more energy, better sleep, pain relief. What else? For skin, you have wrinkle reduction, fine lines are reduced, and you have a younger looking, more vibrant complexion. For people who are athletic, improved sports performance. For people who have like wounds and scars, there's improved scar healing. Wound healing is also improved. And of course, youth renewal. The longer you use the patches, the younger you look, and if you compare it, especially in your pictures, you'll see the difference. And eventually, this is the ultimate goal of David Schmidt, no? Age reversal. So what do you expect? Hindi naman po na pag nag-patch ka ng just one patch, everything happens all together. Of course, you have to use it continuously because the body is really continuously healing itself. So in the first few days, you're first 3 months of using the X39, I'm sure that you're going to experience physical, mental, and emotional changes. And especially look at your complexion, look at the quality of your skin. It really shows the longer you use the patches. And then within 3 to 6 months, you'll have active stem cell repair. And hopefully, that is the goal, no? Reversal of aging from 6 months onwards. So I have X39, but I'd like to also highlight the many different products that are available and that we really use. So there's X39, there's X for hormonal support. So these are the summary of the uses of the different patches. So this is me before using the patch. This is me when I started using Alavida, and this is me. And over the years, I could really see, oh, it is true. The pictures don't lie. Try it, and then compare your pictures, and really you'll see the difference, because this is a span of 10 years, but I've never felt and looked younger than when I started using the LifeWave patches. So thank you, everybody. Thank you.